In this video, I will show you how to close limited company step by step. We also call this strike off and dissolve a company. So let's go. Step 1. Go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write strike off your limited company. Click search. This will take you to this page, strike off your limited company from the company registrar. When you will click on this will give you the overview. The overview is very simple. You can close your limited company by getting it struck off the company's registrar. This is also known as dissolving your company. You can only strike off your company if it has not traded or sold off any stock in the last 3 months, has not changed name in the last 3 months, is not threatened with liquidation, and has no agreement with creditors. Go down, click next, close down your company. Next step is go down right at the bottom and look for apply to strike off. This will take you to this page which will say to apply to strike off your limited company. You must send Companies House Form DS01. You can do this by paper or you can do this by online. If you do this online, it will cost you only £33. But if you do it on paper application, this will cost you £44. Then go down, and just now we are trying to do it online, which is easier and cheaper. Click close your company online. You will come to this page which will say apply to strike off and dissolve a company. For this, you need to sign in to create Companies House account, which is different from web filing account. So these are two different things. Many people get confused with this web filing account with Companies House account. But to close a company, we need to create Companies House account. For that, we need a company number, company authentication code, and email address. And we also need a credit card or debit card. So let's start. The first question is who to tell about the closed company closing. We will tick on this, which will say the directors or member understand that they are responsible for notifying all interested parties. We will click continue. This will take us to the page which will say sign in to Companies House. So let's start with step 2. Onto the email address, click continue. This will say there is no Companies House account that uses this email address because no account was used. So what we will do, we will create sign-in details. Create a gov.uk one login. This will take you to this page. Create your gov.uk one login or sign in. So we'll click create one login. Enter your email address. Click continue. Check your email. Onto the 6-digit code, click continue. Now create a password. So your password must be 8 characters, which must include letters and numbers. Let's continue. Next question is how to choose your security code. So we will select text message. Click continue. Then enter your mobile phone number. Then enter the 6-digit code which you have received on your phone. Click continue. You have created your gov.uk one login. Now continue to use this service. After that, this will take you to the page where you need to sign in again. The first question is what is the company number? For that, we will go on gov.uk and just write Companies House. This is the best and easiest way. Then on the Companies House, click find company information. Start now. If you know the name of the company, click search and then this will take you to that company information detail. You will see the company number over here. Just copy that number, Control V, paste that number, click continue. This will give you that information. View company information. Just make sure the company name is correct, company number is correct, incorporation date, company type is private limited company, and this is the address. Confirm and continue. Next, it will take you to the authentication code. Now, let me show you how to find the authentication code. So you will find this number on the letter which you have received from Companies House. This is old letter because this was the first letter when you have registered your company, you will get this letter. So it says on the right side your company number and at the bottom it says authentication code. So we will use this number RYQ. Once you have entered this code, click Authenticate. This will take you to the page where it will ask you which director are you. So it will give you the option for the director. In this company, there is only one director. It also gives me the option, or I am not a director of this company. So I'll click the one which I know. Check your answers. So the email address is correct. Click Continue. Next question is sign the application. Apply to strike off and dissolve a company. The company name is given over here. Company number is provided. Further, it says you must read the following statement. The statement is clearly states the company has applied to be struck off and dissolved. The registrar will proceed unless there is a reasonable cause not to. And on dissolution, any assets remaining in the company will be passed to the Crown. Make sure you read this guidance before you do so. Once you have done the declaration of directors, it says by ticking this box, you are signing the application. The name of the director on this date. Click continue. Next it says review your payment. Apply to strike off and dissolve a company. The name of the company, the company number. It says amount to pay. Click continue. How do you want to pay for the application? Credit card or company's house account. So in this option we will select the credit card or debit card. Click continue. Next question is enter your card details. So if I zoom out and show you everything, it says the card number, expiry date, name on the card security code, billing address, and then click continue. Now once you have done the payment, it will show confirm your payment. So obviously we have done this. Put all the details in. It says £33 confirm payment. As soon as you will click, it will say application received, your reference number. So this is the reference number. We will email you within 2 working days to let you know that if the application has been accepted or rejected. So the director submitted this application to close own company. A strike-off notice for a company will be published in the local gazette. After 2 months, the notice will expire. In this time, if nobody has objected the company closing, it will be removed from the register. At the bottom it says download the signed copy of the application. If I click on this, this will give me Companies House Form DS01 application to strike off. At the bottom it says company name, company number, important notice for all parties. At the bottom it says declaration of director. The majority of directors apply for this company to be struck off the register and declare that none of the circumstances described in Section this of this Company Act in which the directors would otherwise prohibited under those sections from making an application exist in relation to the company. The director name is at the bottom. The date you have submitted this application. Form DS01 means that you wanted to close your company. Form DS02 means that you wanted to reopen the company which you have closed earlier.